Hi there, my name is Martin Da Costa and I'm the CEO and founder of 70EMG, the makers of India Bike Week. If India's motorcyclists have India Bike Week as their focal point, that one place in the year where every biker, every lover of two wheels comes together, then it struck us that India deserves something similar for four wheels. For the lovers of supercars, hypercars, motorsport, the lovers of vintage cars and 4x4, trail driving, even people who just want to get in their car and drive to somewhere beautiful on a weekend. All of us love cars and all of us love the idea of speed. What we need though is a movement. What we need is a place and a time in the year where we all come together and celebrate that love. So introducing Generation Speed. Generation Speed is going to be India's largest ever motoring festival. Engines roaring, people cheering. It'll be one of the most unbelievable fun festivals you could ever be at. So, welcome to Generation Speed. It'll be a festival, it'll also be a movement, and it'll be the heart of India's motoring culture.